Hello everyone. Recently I got this box of chocolates while I was in a transit flight from Almaty to Dubai. And while I was in the airport, I saw in one of the shops, I was thinking of taking some chocolates for the travel. And I saw this box of chocolates. I could not understand what is written here, but I saw this nice thing inside. I did not understand what is it exactly because it was not clear, and I asked the lady who was there, and she told that this is a souvenir. So note something, that this is a chocolate completely made and packaged in Kazakhstan. And I tried to search, do some search from Google Translate, and I do not see any Indian references. But the interesting thing is that when we open the box, we see that there's a very interesting thing inside. So yes, some of the chocolates we have had, these are amazing chocolates, and as we are very fond of dark chocolates, so these were amazing. So this is like small cubes, you have nice small portions. The thing that I wanted to show is this one. So as I did not get much time to buy anything from Kazakhstan, I thought that this will be a nice idea, but to get something of Kazakhstan. But I was surprised to see this. I, what do you think this is? Does this really look something from Kazakhstan? I have no idea, but if you know something about this, please do let me know. Chocolate is amazing, but I have no idea about this. First instance, it's looks something from the Indian mythology or Indian texts of Lord Ram, but I have literally no idea if it's. But if it is, what is it doing in a box of chocolates in Kazakhstan? But if this is something of their historical significance, I would love to know what this actually is. So if you have any idea, do let me know. This is actually very beautiful, and thankfully I bought it. I was not aware that what was inside. Actually, I did not see it properly, but this is a very nice thing. I'll keep with myself, and if you have any idea, do let me know in the comments.